We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Fans and friends will prosper. Let's pick up business. Hey guys, we are marking up AUDCAD. You have the duet screens up. On the left side we have the monthly time frame. On the right side we do have the time frame. So let's start off with the market and see what's going on. So on the monthly time frame, the market is currently at, you can clearly see that the market came out of a low, came up to a high. Price action is here, which is last active candle or non-active candle, last candle in the market. And then we draw a midpoint. And now let's read the market, see what we see. So in the monthly time frame is showing that the market came out of a single bottom. It pushed up once, retest, pushed up twice, retest. So this is the area we're going to be paying attention to see if the market's going to go up. So first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double bottom, retest, market shot up once, retest, market's going to shoot up a second time. If not, it can consolidate or it can drop back down. Where we at right here with this mid-range, market is sitting on a mid-range. I have to figure out what's going on. We're going to head over to the weekly time frame. So let's read the market. So we do know this is the area of the top and it's coming down to the bottom. We don't know if it's going to shoot up again, come down further. So if we go backwards, what we see, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double top, M pattern. Comes after double top, the retest, market came down once, retest, market's pushing down, like so far, second push, maybe, maybe not. We're not 100% sure yet. If you look at this end, we got a doji. We're going to take entry on a doji. Doji meaning indecisive candle. The next candle is a dominant candle shown as a sell. The second one's a sell. We get a third dominant, strong candle that's a sell. It's dropping down. If not, we'll catch that U-turn. Market just go right back up. So for us to figure out what's happening near price action, we don't know if the market is going to shoot up or shoot down. We're going to head back over to our left screen, which was the monthly time frame. We're going to change that to the daily. So let's take a look at price action. So price action is currently where it's at. It's the midpoint area that we was looking at in a weekly time frame. So we did get that push down, that retest. So let's read it as a whole. I do see a double top. I do see a retest. Market could be shooting down. So here we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double top, retest, market shot down once. And that's on a daily time frame. So if we look at, we go to price action and we work our way backwards, we see that doji. We have a engulfing bearish candle, 1, 2, but this third one right here isn't a strong bearish candle. Is actually a doji. It's a retest doji. Looks like so far it didn't close out yet, but so far it looks like a retest doji. So that's showing is side by side, showing that the market's having issues breaking this level here. So what the market may do is bounce down. It could come back up, consolidate a little bit, and then we'll figure out if the market's going to shoot up or shoot down. Currently, where we at in the market it is consolidating. So we don't have that confirmation for that third candle to take the sell. So we have to wait until the next candle formed to see if it's going to drop down or the following one. So far, this is consolidating on a lower time frame. So let's head over to the 1 hour time frame and see if we can see anything going on in the market. So the market look like it is reversing to go on the upside of our time frame. So there's a pattern that's being formed right here. Okay, this the market hit that lower low area. So when the market came down from that with that second push, first push, it hit here. It came down here, it bounced. So this is the area where the market was going to start drawing itself out for that formation. So it's going to start here. So this will be the first leg. This will be the second leg. This will be the third leg. We got that fourth leg to push up. So this candle right here looks like a doji. You have a few dojis in here, but these two right here is a doji and a retest. You probably catch that on a lower time frame. So first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest right here. Market shot up once. Okay, now we have to wait till the market's going to see what the market's going to do. But if you can see that market look like it is heading up on the hour time frame, but it's selling off on the earlier time frame. So what we're going to do is going to have to wait for the market to do what it do. So market looks like it's headed back up to that midpoint retest area, midpoint line, which is going to be trying to retest. So once the market broke the that support, went back to return to probably touch that support before it goes back down fully or create momentum to go back down. But on the hour time frame, the market is going back up to reach our area of midpoint. So it's going to probably consolidate in this area for that breakout to the lower, breakout to the high. Okay, so let's head back over to this screen, which is the weekly time frame. And once again, we have the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market shot down once. Wait in this area for the market to do what it do. And what we're looking for the market to do is we're looking for some type of pattern to form, something that we recognize. Figure out what we recognize. What we're going to do is go to what? We're going to head over to Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet. We're going to click on Images. You guys review these images. You're looking for the type of pattern. So with AUDCAD is not drawing itself out yet, so we don't know what's going to happen. So we don't see anything too much in that market. So we have to wait until the market starts drawing itself out. But we know on a 1 hour time frame, it is coming out that like a double bottom, or a triple bottom right here, or a double bottom and a retest, or a triple bottom. So it's pushing up. But that's still not confirmation for us to see that the market is going to sell or go for a full buy long term. But short term, the market is look like it's returning back to areas of higher highs. So somewhere in here where we'll be looking for a buy. So you guys are going to head over to Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet. Review these images of these patterns and help you out with entry. Also, guys, what's very important is understanding the break and retest pattern, the break and retest strategy. And we kind of just talked about that on AUDCAD. I'm going to go back. When I was on that earlier time frame that we see right here that the market broke this area, this midpoint, it looked like it was headed back down to this areas of lower lows. But remember, when the market does break an area of resistance or support, once it breaks, market always come back to return, retest, it drops down further to a low or come back up. Okay, so AUDCAD 1 hour time frame market is going up. When it comes to the daily time frame market, looks like it's consolidating. So just wait for the market to finish what it's doing. Once we see more patterns in this area on the weekly time frame, we'll be able to take entry long term for a higher high point or a low point. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. AUD CAD.